Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karajagi Output School. Myself Pooja Dhokre. Students, we have already started our lesson number 2, area and volume. So students, we have solved exercise 2.2, 2.3 and we have solved some examples of area of rectangle and square. So today we are going to study about volume. What is a volume? Even how to find the volume by using the formula and what is the unit of a volume. So students, open your textbook, page number 35. We will see what is a volume. Here, volume. Look at these solid shapes. Cube 1 is bigger than cube 2. Yes, no? This one is a bigger than this one. Yes, cube 1 is a bigger than cube 2. See students, cube 1 occupies more space than cube 2. Yes, no? Cube 1 occupies more space than cube 2. We say that cube 1 has a greater volume than cube 2. That means we can say volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. So this is the definition. That means whatever the space the object occupies, this one is the volume of that particular object. Okay students, so this one is a definition. The volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. So next point we'll see here, unit of volume, page number 36. Unit of volume. Here this is a cube of side 1 centimeter. This one is a cube having side 1 centimeter. It has a volume of 1 cubic centimeter, or we can say cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter, that is cu dot centimeter, is a small unit of a volume. This one is a small unit of a volume. This cuboid is made up of 8 cubes of side 1 centimeter each. See, this one is a cuboid. This one is made up of 8 cubes of side 1 centimeter each. Its volume is 8 cubic centimeter. This is made up of 8 cubes. So that's why here volume of this cube is 8 cubic centimeter. Your geometric box has a volume of about 200 square meter. That means for measuring larger volumes you use meter cube of side 1 meter, and it has a volume of 1 cubic meter, or you can write in short form 1 cu dot m. Now a cupboard has a volume about 2 square meter. So we can write unit as per the size of the figure. Okay. Now volume by formula. How to find the volume of cuboid? So here is a cuboid. See, here is a cuboid with length 2 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and height 2 centimeter. Here is a length, breadth and height. Okay. Now count the number of unit cubes to find its value. Its value is 12 cubic centimeter. How? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. In this way, the volume of cube is 12 cubic centimeter. See. Now find the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. How to find it? See. Here length 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and again height is 2 centimeter. That means if you multiply 2, 3 and 2, we will get the answer 12 cubic centimeter. Okay, that means this one is the formula for finding the volume of cuboid. Okay, but this is the same as its volume. volume also now we counted the cuboid, blocks of the cuboid. So we will get the answer 12. Even if we multiply length, breadth and height, we will get the answer 12. That means the formula of cuboid is L into B into H. That means length into breadth into height. In this way we are going to calculate the volume of cuboid. Now we will see volume of cube. In cube, length is equal to breadth is equal to height. That means here sides of a cube are equal. Okay, so volume of cube is equal to side multiplied by side multiplied by side, and here side is equal to 2 centimeter. That means length also 2 centimeter, breadth also 2 centimeter and height also 2 centimeter. So what is the formula of a cube? That is S into S into S. So if you multiply 2 multiplied by 2 and 2, that means multiply 2 3 times, you will get the answer 8 cubic centimeter. Nowadays students, you are playing with that cube. Yes, no? You have the toy, that cube. Yes, that you make all the faces of same color. So use that cube for the example. You just find the volume of that cube. Okay, now we'll see next one, page number 37. Here is one example. The volume of this cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So here L 5 centimeter, B is equal to 3 centimeter and H is equal to 2 centimeter. So just multiply length, breadth and height, you will get the answer 30 cubic centimeter. Okay, you can count also, you will get the same answer, you will get 30 cubes. Okay, now we'll see exercise 2.4. Here Rahul makes a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter and height 2 centimeter. What is its volume? Here students, multiply L, B and height. What you will get? 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Again multiply it by 2, 10 cubic centimeter. This one will be the volume. Okay. Now second one. Meena uses 1 centimeter cubes to build the building cuboids. Help her calculate the length, breadth, height and volume of each cuboid. So you have to find cuboid. Also you have to write here length, breadth, height and then calculate volume. So here in first figure, length is, here students, 1, 2, 3, that's why 3 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter, and height, here is the height, 2 blocks, that means each block is having 1 centimeter, so that's why this 2 means 2 centimeter. Okay, so multiply 3, 1 and 2. As per the formula, multiply it and 3 ones are 3. Very good. Again 3 multiplied by 2, 6 cubic centimeter. Very good students. Now here length. Second one, B1, length is 1 centimeter and breadth, see. Yes students, breadth will be 2 centimeter. And height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why height is 5 centimeter. And use the formula of volume of cuboid, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. That means 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. If you multiply 1 multiplied by 2, it will be 2. Again 2 multiplied by 5, 10. Very good. 10 cubic centimeter. Okay. In this way you have to first find length, breadth and height and then calculate the volume by using the formula. Okay students. All of you understood exercise 2.4? Okay. Now we will solve 2.5 exercise. See here, find the volumes. Each block denotes 1 cubic centimeter. Okay. How to find it now? See students, we have to find it by calculating the each cube. Here 4 blocks are there in first row. Again in second row, back side also 4 blocks. That's why 4 plus 4, very good, 8 cubic centimeter. The volume of this cube is equal to 8 cubic centimeter. How students? Just now I explain you. Here front side 4 blocks. See, 4 and back side also 4. That's why 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. Now in second example, see students, here also 2 rows are there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Even back side also 4. That's why 4 plus 4, 8. Here 1, 2, 3. Even this back side also there are the cubes, 3 cubes. That's why 3 plus 3, 6. Here 1, 2 and back side also 2. So that's why 4. And here 1 and here also 1. That means 2. So just add it. 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2. Okay. So 8 plus 6, 14 plus 4 plus 2. 14 plus 4, 18 and 18 plus 2, 20 and unit cubic centimeter. Okay. In this way you can calculate the volume of a cuboid. Now we will see our next examples. Fourth one. What is the fourth one students here? Here they have given one brick. Even they have given here length, breadth and height of a brick. So you have to use the formula of volume of a cuboid and just find the volume of that brick. Here length is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 6 centimeter. Yes students? Okay. So use the formula. What is the formula here students? Volume of, fourth one, volume of brick or cuboid you can write L into B into H. Okay. Put the volume in the formula. 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 6. Okay. 20 multiplied by 10, 200. Good. And multiplied by 6 is equal to 1000 and 1200 and unit cubic centimeter. So the volume of a, students, so the volume of a brick is equal to 1200 cubic centimeter. Now we'll see our fifth one. Here they have given the matchbox. Even the measurement also, L is equal to 6 centimeter. Here L is equal to 6 centimeter and breadth is equal to, here students, 2.5 and height is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Now use the same formula. Volume of a matchbox. Volume of a matchbox is equal to L into B into H. So L is equal to 6, B 2.5 and H is 2. So 6 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 5 and 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30 cubic centimeter is the volume of the matchbox. So student, we have completed our question number A. Now we will see B1 here. Here B1. So here they have given one figure. See, even they have given some measurements. Yes, no students? See, here just draw the line. That means it will divide into two parts. This one will be the figure 1 and this one will be figure 2. Okay. Now for figure 1, here length, breadth and height. Length is equal to 6 centimeter, breadth is equal to 2 centimeter and length is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So first we will find the volume of figure 1. Okay. Then we will find the volume of figure 2. For figure 2, here length is equal to 8 centimeter and height is equal to 4 centimeter and breadth is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. So just we will write the formula and we will solve the examples. See students, here 2 cuboids are there. So that's why we will count first this cuboid, volume of this cuboid and this, then we will count this volume of this cuboid. Okay. Now we will solve the example. See, here volume of figure 1, L into B into H. For figure 1, the L is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 2 centimeter and H is equal to 3 centimeter. So just volume of cuboid is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. Do multiplication students. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. Again 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36 cubic centimeter. So this one will be the volume for figure 1. Okay. Now volume of figure 2, again L into B into H. Okay. Here L is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 2 centimeter and H is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. So do multiplication. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. Very good. And 16 multiplied by 4, 64. Very good. So this one is not the final answer. Okay. What you have to do now? Volume of total figure. You should find the volume of total figure. Okay students. For that just add volume of figure 1 and volume of figure 2. Okay. Volume of figure 1 is 36 cubic centimeter and volume of figure 2 is equal to 64 cubic centimeter. So just add 36 plus 64. Yes. 100 cubic centimeter. Okay students, all of you understood? Now we'll see question number C, first one. Here students, find the volume of a cubes whose edges are as follows. Here A1 is 15 centimeter. Okay, volume of cube is equal to, formula क्या है, what is the formula? S into S into S. So S is 15. 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15. Yes, if you multiply it, you will get the answer 3375 cubic centimeter. Okay students, so in this way we are going to solve next example. Here C1 20 centimeter, volume of cube, that means S multiplied by S multiplied by S. Okay, so multiply 20 3 times, that means 3 times. So if you multiply 23 times, you will get answer 8000 cubic centimeter. Now we will see G1, this one is 30 centimeter. So volume of cube is equal to S into S into S. So put the volume, put the value 30 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 30. Multiply 30 3 times. So you will get answer 27,000 cubic centimeter. Okay. So all of you understood how to calculate volume of cubes. Okay. Now we'll see question number 2nd. Find the volumes of cuboids with the following dimensions. Here they have given length 24 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. So our formula of cuboid is L into B into H. So put the values in the formula. L 24, B 10 and H is equal to 12. So multiply it. If you multiply 24 by 10, 24 multiplied by 10, 240. Very good. Again multiply 240 and 12. What you will get? You will get the answer 4880 cubic centimeter. Okay. Now C1. Here also L is equal to 2.5 centimeter, B is equal to 1.5 centimeter and H is equal to 2 centimeter. So students, put the value in the formula L into B into H. 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 2. So if you multiply 1.5 and 2, you will get the answer 3. Again multiply 2.5 and 3. So the answer is 7.5 cubic centimeter. So students, all of you understood this one? Okay, very good. Now we have finished our exercise 2.5. So in this exercise, what we have studied? We have studied how to calculate volume of cube and volume of cuboid. Okay. Now we will see some story sums. Okay, we will see some word problem. Exercise 2.6 story sums, and the first one, a swimming tank is 20 meter long and 15 meter broad and 2 meter deep. What is the volume of the tank? Okay, here they have given length, breadth and height. That means we have to find the volume of a cuboid. So here L is equal to, here students, 20 meter and B is equal to 15 meter and H is equal to 2 meter. Okay. Now volume of a tank is equal to L multiplied by B multiplied by H. So just write the values, 20 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 2. Okay. So just multiply it. 15 multiplied by 2, 30. Good. If you multiply 20 and 30, you will get, yes, 600. 600 and the unit cubic meter. So this is your answer. That means answer, volume of a tank is 600 cubic meter. Okay, in this way you solve the story sums. Okay, now we'll see next example. Here a room is 7 meter long, 5 meter broad and 8 meter high. What is the volume of the room? Even use same formula. See students, here L is equal to 7 meter, B is equal to 5 meter and H is equal to 8 meter. Okay, so volume of a room, L 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8. So just multiply it. 7 multiplied by 5, yes, if you multiply by 7 and 5 you will get 35. Again multiply it by 8, so you will get 280. Is it correct, students? Is it correct? No, because I have not written here the unit. It is very necessary, so just write cubic meter. And your final answer is, the volume of the room is 280 cubic centimeter. Okay students, now we will see next example. 6.1. Find the volume of a earth dug from a cubical pit whose edge is 2.4 meter. Okay students, here they have given the edge, that is 2.4 meter. Okay, so just find volume of earth dug from a cubical pit whose edge is 2.4 meter. So what is our formula? S multiplied by S multiplied by S. Okay, so just put here value in the formula. 2.4 multiplied by 2.4 multiplied by 2.4. Yes students, multiply it step by step. You will get the answer. Yes, multiply it carefully. First you multiply 2.4 by 2.4. Then you will get the answer. Again just multiply it by 2.4. So your answer is 13.824 unit cubic meter. So this one is the volume of a earth dug from a cubical pit. In the next period we will see our next exercise 2.7. So students, solve some examples for your practice at home. Thank you.